Hello and greetings from Gniew, Poland. This is another great spot to stop the van. Maybe not so much an overnight stop, because you can hear behind me there is a bit of noise. This is the Polish Road 91. It used to be the number 1, the main route linking the north and the south. So that's like Gdansk, Łódź, Katowice. So most important road, or maybe the second most important road in the country, depends what you've made this number 2 was. It's a motorway now, so that the traffic's a lot less than what it used to be. Here, there's got this big parking. There's a bar here. Bar is the Polish word for a fast food place, really. It's not a bar as in the sense in English, and I shall use one of these maps here to give you a sense of where we are. There's a map there, but to give a better overview, there we go. So you can see Gdansk, Itineo. We're here approximately there, somewhere in that area at the moment, and there's some of the castles and other tourist things in the area. Now, the word Gniew in Polish means anger, so it's got the opanuj, Gniew. So control your anger management. Now the bar is called Bar nad, or the fast food place, Bar nad Wieżycą. Wieżyca is here, it's a river. And look at that fantastic view of Gniew from here. So we've got the Crusader castle on the right, and we've got the church on the left. The Crusader castle, which if I remember rightly, dates to the 14th century. If I remember rightly, might have got that one wrong. I came here 2 years ago, left my van at a petrol station, just a fuel station, I should say, to the north. And I think I said I was at the north of Gniew when I started doing this video. Actually, I'm at the south of Gniew. Sorry, I got that one wrong. This is the south, not the north. And then I walked in, and it was a good idea because there's so much. There's not nowhere to park really. It's a bit medieval internally, but it's really a supremely attractive place to visit. You can see that in another video because I filmed it then. Now this castle, I was here in 1997 and it was a ruin. It was a shell, and the developers who have turned this into a hotel, it is an absolutely incredible job. It is amazing what they have achieved in there. And as a historian, as a person who was once was on the management board of a hotel company previously, I find this, the way it's saved the hotel and it's created this fantastic location. I think it's absolutely wonderful. So let's take you in a bit closer. I know there's a bit of a racket outside. There we go. You can see a bit better, or we're coming even closer. Fantastic view, eh? Gniew, Poland. The Vistula River is clearly visible from the castle. I can't see it from here, but you can actually see where the tree line is. Over there, so you see the tree, where the tree line is, that's alongside the river. So it's from here, what, about 1,700 meters, something like that, I would say. And I think this, a great place to come to. There you go. So I'll leave you now with this fantastic view of Gniew. You've got this wonderful summer, July 13th of July today. This wonderful surroundings. The sun, oh, fantastic. I really appreciate being here. So, all the best from Gniew, and I shall post more as I travel north.